Hi everyone, Kieran Brown here and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the six exercises that help me to get shredded. Now, as a skinny guy, I didn't have much muscle, but I was over 21% body fat, and I was in this predicament where I was just kind of skinny fat. Like, I needed to build muscle, but I also needed to lose fat, and these six exercises helped me to achieve both. I was able to lose 18 pounds in 10 weeks, whilst also getting stronger in the gym, and it was because of these lifts. So the first one is incline bench. So why the incline, not the flat? Well, it's for a more aesthetic looking chest. If you build like the upper chest, I think it just kind of looks better. And I'll also include on each of these slides my current 1 rep max. I'm on a lean bulk at the moment. I've started a weekly series on this channel. So I'll put a little card. Week 1 is out at the moment and week 2 will be out soon. And I'll basically track my progress on all these lifts and see if I can beat these personal bests this year. So the PR for the incline bench at the moment is 82.5 kilos for 5 reps, which is a 1 rep max of 93. And I'm hoping to get that 1 rep max up to over 100 this year. So next is bent over lateral raise. So it's the only exercise really, any kind of like lateral raise that fully targets the medial delt, which is like on the side here. So your shoulder is made up of 3 muscles, the front, side and rear. And the lateral delt gives you like the wide shoulders the most. And why bent over? Well, this is like on a bench. So basically imagine I'm leaning on a bench here and it's like supporting my chest, and it's so that I can't like cheat and like swing too much, because if I stood up, you can easily just swing like this and make it much easier. So if you're supported by the chest, then like you can't really do that, and it targets the muscle better. So 1 rep max for this at the moment is 9 reps, 10 kilos, and a 1 rep max of 13. This was actually probably a couple years ago now, so I'm not sure how great the form was, but I'll still be hoping to beat it this year. Next onto legs is squat and seated leg press. I sort of alternate between these two, and I still want to improve like my squat form. I feel like I haven't perfected it yet. I still kind of feel it in my back sometimes, but I do still do it, and yeah, I'll just do squat for a while and then seated leg press for a while. So squat 1 rep max at the moment is 124 kilos, which was 107.5 kilos for 4 reps. And on the seated leg press is 280 kilos for 5 reps, 333 kilo 1 rep max. Next is weighted chin up. So this helps to build like the V taper on your back. And if you can't do weighted chin-ups at the moment, just start with assisted chin-ups, either hopefully with a machine at the gym where you can basically add weight. And with this, the higher the weight, the easier it is. And then eventually you'll be able to do body weight chin-ups and then add weight eventually. And this is especially good for a cut, because as you start to lean down, you're losing weight, which makes the weighted chin-ups easier and you can add weight quite quickly. And my personal best is 30 kilos for 3 reps. And that was at a weight of around 70 kilos. So yeah, about 100 or so kilos in total. And finally is weighted dips. Same as the chin-ups. If you can't do weighted dips, start with assisted ones and then body weight and then add weight. And this was a tricep focus one. If you want to target the chest more, then you just lean forward when you're doing it. And I've heard people describe it as the squat of the upper body, and it's one of my favorite exercises for sure. And my personal best is 32.5 kilos for 8 reps. So in summary, to recap, the 6 best exercises that helped me to get shredded were the incline bench, bent over or chest supported lateral raise, squats and leg press, and then weighted chin-ups and weighted dips. So if you want some one-to-one help to help you to get shredded and build a gym habit in 2025, then you can click the first link in the description. Apart from that, that's everything for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.